Hey, this is Cam with the West Central Montana Avalanche Center. We're up on northeast aspect at 7,500 feet in the Central Bitterroot. So big story today is the wind. As you can see, it's blowing pretty hard. Winds are in the strong to very strong category as this storm comes in. Already we've got about a 3 to 4 inch soft slab, a little bit reactive, where this wind will over the subridge. That's sitting on top of the denser, still 4-finger slabs in the last couple of days. This whole 10 to 12 inches is reactive. We're getting cracking, and if you were to step out on below that, the snow depth here is 260 centimeters, almost 3 meters, 2.5 meters. The majority of that's wind loading. These northeast aspects have been experiencing a lot of wind load over the last 2 weeks. This wind load down here, this is pencil hardness for a long ways down, maybe one finger pencil. So this stuff's pretty stubborn set in, but as this storm comes in, we'll probably see some avalanching just on this fresh wind slab on these northeast aspects. Ski and ride safe.